In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate leads for your real estate business using this tool called the Content Cache Machine. Now, what this does is it creates highly custom social media posts. And the benefit of using this over ChatGPT is that with ChatGPT, you have to go back and forth. You have to refine it. I'm sure you've experienced that where it gets pretty frustrating and it's very time consuming. This does it all for you. So the way it works is you're going to be greeted with this prompt that just says get started. And it's going to ask you some setup questions so that I can customize the content specifically for your business and brand. So the first question is, what kind of business do you have? I am a realtor. Do you specialize in a niche like luxury homes, commercial properties, first-time buyers? Let's say move-ups, residential. Perfect, residential move-up buyers. Next question, what's your main service? Example, helping homeowners sell and buy their next home. Relocation services, listing agent, buyer agent. Helping homeowners buy and sell. Got it. You're focused on helping homeowners buy and sell their next home. Next up, who's your ideal audience? Example, growing families, dual income couples, homeowners in a specific area, etc. We're going to say growing families in urban areas looking to move to the suburbs. So the more specific you can be, the better the content will be. Really think about who is your niche. AI is all about context. Excellent. Targeting growing families in urban areas who are ready to move to the suburbs. Next, how do you want your content to sound? So with this tool, you can give it a tone or a specific personality depending on your brand. Pick one: educational, storytelling, direct response, entertaining, professional, casual. Let's say educational. And this can be modified, but this is just a starting point. Great choice. We'll keep the content educational, building trust and authority. Next up, which platforms do you want to focus on? So it'll tailor the content depending on which platform you want to focus on. Now, the way this works is if you want to create video content, it won't actually create the videos for you. You need a separate software for that, but it'll create the scripts. So it'll give you the foundation. So let's say LinkedIn for this example. Perfect. We'll focus on LinkedIn. Great for building authority and connecting with serious buyers and sellers. Next, do you want short form videos, text-based posts, or both? Let's say text-based. Awesome. We'll stick to text-based posts. Next, what's the goal of the content? More engagement, more leads, building authority, increasing sales. Let's say more leads. Who doesn't want that? Crystal clear. We're creating educational LinkedIn posts to generate more leads from growing families looking to move to the suburbs. So you see how tight that is? Final question. Would you like a matching AI-generated image to go with your post and boost engagement? Yes. What kind of image are you thinking? A quote graphic, carousel, behind the scenes sketch, meme, infographic? So you can actually tell it what type of image do you want to create. Let's say you're targeting investors. You might want to go for an infographic, but let's say you're targeting move-ups or downsizers where you want to connect with people more emotionally. I would say use realistic images of happy homeowners for the content. Perfect. We'll pair each post with realistic style images of happy homeowners, families who have just moved, smiling in front of new homes, etc. Here's your 1-week LinkedIn content plan to attract growing families moving from the city to the suburbs. Each post is educational, designed to generate leads, and includes prompts for specific images of happy homeowners. So it just spit out an entire 7-day plan: how to choose the right suburb, what makes a good move-up realtor, city or suburbs, which would you choose today? That's actually interesting. Let's settle this debate. If you had to move today, would you pick city convenience or suburban space? Drop your answer below. I'm curious what you'd pick. Let's try that one. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to say, create an image with this prompt for day 7, and just copy and paste the image prompt here. And now it's going to actually create the image for you. And what's really amazing is the image generation technology has gotten to the point where it's phenomenal. I mean, it just keeps getting better and better. And the way this tool is designed, as AI improves, as the underlying infrastructure gets better, it'll just keep spitting out better quality and faster. Boom, look at that. That's pretty amazing. So you've got a smaller family on the left with 1 kid in an urban area, and then you've got a bigger move up kind of dream scenario family on the right in a suburban area. This would be very compelling, right? And then all you need to do is download this image. So you just click this little download icon, and then we're going to go back up to the text, and you can just copy and paste, right? So this is the actual post. You're just going to copy it from here. And then if you want to include the hashtags, you can. And there you go. That's your post. And guaranteed this will get traction because, again, you're speaking to that avatar. That's the power of this tool. You don't have to go back and forth with ChatGPT. You just answer the onboarding questions. It personalizes it. This is like having your own social media marketing manager on standby 24/7. Now, if you're interested to learn more about the Content Cash Machine, as well as some other AI training, you can click the link beneath this video to get access to my free ChatGPT for Realtors course, where I've got some amazing content on lead generation, follow-up, how to save hours every week. Plus, you'll be part of an exclusive group of future-proofing agents that are on the cutting edge, so you can mastermind and we can all build together. I look forward to seeing you inside the community.